Hi guys, this is Monica. Let me introduce myself first. Um, Filipina pala ako and I get married to Australian. Tapos nag-decide kami na mag-travel. We've been in a relationship for 5 years. I mean, yung mag-jowa na relationship, and then we got married after that. Tapos 1 year na kami ngayon na married. And so much with the introduction. I will show you where we are at now. Tapos maganda yung view dito. Tinatawag tong Himachal Pradesh yung lugar, pero yung mismong resort is called Mahendra. Okay, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung view.
We are at Club Kandaghat, Club Mahindra's 7-star resort. This is where we are staying for 2 nights.
Ito yung room namin. Tapos, yan, dyan. And then, ito naman yung view sa taas, which is sobrang ganda. Maraming flowers. At saka may, ano siya, may, what do you call this, tambayan. And then, meron pa dun sa taas. Marami pa dun. Nandito kami sa pinakababa. And then, sa baba naman guys, yan yung view. Sobrang ganda. Actually, marami talagang pumupunta dito dahil sa klima niya. Sobrang lamig kahit tirik na tirik yung araw. Kaya, I think this is the best time for us to come here. Kasi mas malamig siya sa mismong temperatura niya. Actually, mainit ngayon guys, pero yung klima niya is malamig. Actually, taglamig na ngayon because it's already bare months, and that's why we're wearing jackets and all that. So, mamaya naman punta kaming Shimla. Malapit lang siya dito, mga 45 minutes na drive, sabi ng kasamahan namin. And actually, yung kasamahan na sinasabi ko is yung nagdala sa amin dito because he has a membership here, and pag meron kang membership, may benefit ka na. Isa sa mga benefit is makakapag-stay ka dito ng libre kasama yung pamilya mo for I think 2 days. Depende kasi sa klima niya. Kapag tag-init, I think longer yung stay mo. And then kapag taglamig, mga I think 2 to 3 days lang yung binibigay nila. Pero anyway, sulit naman, sobrang ganda. Anyway, punta kami ng Shimla, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, and papakita ko sa inyo yung view doon, maganda doon. Para siyang nasa Britain, kasi yung nung unang panahon daw, sinakop yung lugar na yun ng mga Britannia, and they decided to build their own houses, yung daan, the way they wanted. So, yeah, pakita ko sa inyo, maganda.